Bonjour. First, to every one of you who has been touched by COVID-19 as a patient or as a caregiver, our thoughts and best wishes are with you all. If there is anything more we can do for you or for your family, we are here for you. As every Sunday, I wanted to give you an update on all the actions we are taking to fight this crisis. As you know, at the moment, we have only two priorities: your health and wellness, and our commitments to our clients. First, and most importantly, when it comes to all of you, we are continuing to take all the necessary measures to protect you and keep you safe at home, wherever that is. It's good to hear that some of you have taken our offer and are getting on planes to come back with your families. It has become clear in the last days that we are not only fighting the virus, but also the isolation it is creating. We are social animals, even more in our industry. What we like in our jobs is the human connections and the opportunity to solve problems with creativity. We are but different cultures that interact, sometimes passionately. This is something we all like about our business, and this is something we are all starting to miss. We have to take this very seriously, as we don't know how long this isolation will last. Staying strong together in this period is going to be vital, not only for our business, but more importantly for your well-being. This is why we have decided to advance the launch of Marcel. We moved fast, as there is an urgency to keep us all connected. We saw that during our first Q&A session, where many of you suggested Marcel could really help in this moment, that it was the time to accelerate. So it will now be available for the entire group by the end of April. We will start with the US, where Marcel will launch next week for 30,000 people there. It won't be perfect. There will be some bugs, and it will keep evolving. And it will require your engagement and your feedback. But it will unite us at a time where we need it the most. This is already the case in the UK, where we launched Marcel as a test market 8 months ago. Since the beginning of the crisis, engagement has gone up significantly, as Annette and the UK Comex have used the platform not only to connect, but also to engage their teams. The version we will release will bring all the experiences we have developed for the UK, boosted by features we need for those tough times. There will be a daily feed of updates that give you access to Publicis industry information, also training models to learn during this period, and the latest about COVID-19. It will also be a way to access and activate all our resources in the group. Every job offer in our organization will be available exclusively for you, only on Marcel during this crisis. Everyone who needs help for their business will be able to post a gig and find someone in the group with the skills and the capabilities to partner you. It will work both ways. Everyone who wants to actively do more for the community will be able to raise a hand. We have already seen incredible initiatives during this crisis, and I want to make sure we leverage them properly. We will also initiate a series of partnerships to support your well-being, starting immediately with Headspace in the US, that has been a big success in the UK. As I said, Marcel will be available in the US next week. Europe, Asia, the rest of the world will follow. Carla Serrano and Emmanuel André will come back to you all, region by region, to give you a full presentation and answer any of your questions. They will start tonight with the US, where everyone will receive an invitation. When it comes to our clients, it is clearer every day that it has never been more important to be on their side. This will be the main topic of our conversation with 3,000 of you during our Q&A session at the end of the week. In a world that is already changing very fast and won't come back as it was, we need to act differently with them today and tomorrow. And I want to make sure we start immediately. Voilà. I would like to thank you all again for your courage and the incredible dedication that you have shown in this difficult time. The Marcel team has been a great example of that, and I would like to particularly thank them for what they are accomplishing, working day and night to help us be stronger together. Merci, stay safe, take care of you and your family, and speak to you soon.